Okay, so this is how much you would produce, which is, let's say, 95 and 100 food. But then the question is, how much do you actually consume? And this depends again on your utility curves. Your utility curves sort of go like this, and at some point there's going to be a point where the two are actually tangent. And where that point is basically where you're going to consume. And we asked Peter earlier today how you can actually find that point or those utility curves, and he said, yeah, you can't really. It's sort of, so that was not a very satisfactory explanation.
Great Peter explanation.
But that also means that we don't have to be able to do that for the exam. But let's say it's at this level, then that means that you're actually consuming this much food, and you're consuming this much clothing, which means that the difference in this is how much you produce. You produce 95, you only consume 60, so you're exporting 35. So let me just try and get that in here. This is your export.
Yes, well.
Whereas for your food, you're only producing 100, but you're, let's say this is roughly 480 on our axis. You're consuming 480, so that's your import. And then something went wrong in my drawing, because of course your import has to be 5 times as big as your export in this case, because that's the world market. If you're exporting 35, if you're exporting 35 clothing, you can only have 165. That's times 5.
175.
75, yeah.
Exactly. You can only have 175 in food import. So my drawing is all over the place. But that's the sort of the logic. And because of this, you're actually in a consumption point that's outside of your own curve.
Yeah. We understand?
The last, I totally missed the last part, but I will watch the video.